Hello and welcome to day 1,
Day 2, Day 3, Day 4.
We are the final day of the Miami International Boat Show and the Miami Yacht Show. 2 beautiful shows going on in Miami.
Hi guys, welcome to Scout. It's my pleasure to show you the 53 LXF. This is the first time that it comes out with a flybridge option. It's powered by Quint Mercury 400 Verado engines, and it reaches speeds in the mid-60s. Take a look.
Good morning, it's Captain Will Rogers coming to you from the Miami International Boat Show. And I gotta tell you, I've got one of the hottest whalers on the planet right now, the 35 Outrage. This particular boat we have gone to extremes with. Bright green wrap, underside of the hardtop wrapped. We have the powder-coated black frame. We have the sea deck in the bright green colors. I gotta tell you, it is one of the brightest, flashiest Boston whalers we have ever built. And yes, you can find it right here, right now, today at the Miami International Boat Show.
Good morning, Federico Ferrante here from Azimuth Yachts, and we are here in beautiful Miami Beach, where we are actually worldwide premiering this brand new Azimuth Yachts Verve 47. So we would like to start probably from the transom because it's fairly impressive. The propulsion package we choose is the Mercury Racing Division 450 horsepower V8.
Kilo 44 from the Miami Yacht Show. Program director of Boston Whaler.
The Miami International Boat Show, where you never know exactly what's going to happen. We're having a blast.